Okay. I originally looked very pixely, but now I don't. But my concern with this one is that it will be very laggy, and let's get closer to the mic so you can hear me better. And it will be not that great to watch, which is a concern for me. So, I was going to show you my swords, which are over there, but I'm not, because I'm incredibly lazy. I can't be bothered to walk about 3 or 4 foot, which is about the height of a midget, and they're pure evil, should be killed at birth, okay? Or, if that's too harsh for some people, put them on an island and then send the island to space. I just maintain they are evil. Right? Okay. So, I've drank more. As I said, my birthday on Monday. Send me a present. And then I'm gonna get drunk all week. Because Luke in the other room had his haircut. Didn't you, Luke? Eh? Eh? So, my hair's a mess. We're going to commemorate his hair. We're going to drink lots. People tell me to get my hair cut, they can fuck off. Would I cut my hair? Would I? Bollocks. Because it took me like 2 years, 2-3 years to grow. So I'm not going to cut it. Even if I recede, I'll get a skullet. Skullet? Yeah. Skullet. Google it. Terry Nutkins. Google Terry Nutkins, and the hairstyle he has is a skullet. Terry Nutkins. Terry, you know how to spell that. Nutkins. Nutkins. He got some of his fingers cut off, version 1, by... Cut off, did I say? Bit off by a beaver called Idal or something. That's a true story, I didn't make that up, it is all true. I once did not do anything interesting, so that's that story over with. So you know, right, I'm giving up playing that game, Modern Warfare 2, so I can make this video, which no one will watch. Alright? I mean, Modern Warfare 2 is like my drug. I mean, seriously, if I don't play it for like a couple of days, I get the shakes, visible shakes. But yeah, that is a true story as well. I've got fingerless gloves over there, which I haven't worn in ages. I'm not even going to put them on to show them to you, because you all know what they look like. They're just gloves that have no fingers. I'm running out of things right here. I mean, this is my longest video. I mean, they've been getting longer and longer each time, but I think this will be my longest one. So you can sit here for this long and listen to me. Yeah, ain't that kind. Work tomorrow, but I'm still drinking. I'm dedicated. Got to be dedicated to that. Then Saturday work. Then I'm happy because no more work for a week. Which I know I have said before, but you know, I know work. So people don't realise, you know, when they're not working, every day is boring and monotonous, and it's the same as the last. You know, it's just like, and they get bored shitless. But when you work, when you have the time off, you know, that's what it is. It's exactly that. No other words can describe. Bet Luke is in his room, refreshing his YouTube, seeing if a video's been uploaded yet. He asked me to be like, because he wanted it to be a surprise. So he instantly said after that, "Don't shit outside his door." He's lucky because I don't need a shit. It's not a thought you lot want to have, really. But there you go. Now it's in your head. Ha ha ha! Deal with it. So I won't be doing that. And because, you know, I don't want to have to clean it up. You could do that old thing where you shit into a paper bag, set it on fire, stick it out someone's door. Well, you shit into a bag, stick it outside someone's door, set it on fire, ring the doorbell, and you run off. Except he doesn't have a doorbell. And then they come out, see a bag on fire, and their natural reaction is to put it out by stamping on it. And they get flaming shit over their shoe, or on their shoe, or in their shoe, or whatever in their shoe. On shoe. So, you're a rock. And there you go, there you have it. Do I have a Family Guy reference? No. No, I do not. And I have many swords in my collection, but I don't want to show them to you because if someone watches this and they go to the feds, police, cops, Bananarama, then I could get in a teensy weensy bit of trouble. So I won't. I have a lava lamp, if that's of any importance to you. Obviously not. So as you can tell, I am rambling. I have nothing to say to you lot. No offence, obviously, meant to you, but who's going to watch this anyway? Seriously, they'll get a couple of minutes into it and just give up. I like the word or or Anybody remember CFAX? Good. Just putting out my cigarette. Don't want to start a fire. That's not my job. My job is not to do anything with fire, because I'm allergic to it. Highly allergic. Uh-oh. That might not have picked up. Hang on, let me try again. Hello. There we are, you heard that. Okay, I'm gonna go. So, yeah. Go away.